Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 8 of programming in HTML5 basic buttons. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on Finder, go to Documents, navigate to the HTML5 folder, double click, right click on index.html, open this up with text edit, close out to Finder, increase the size of the text edit file. And now Command plus to also increase the text, copy the image code from the previous tutorial. Command X, open up the Word document, insert the code into this document for later use. Command S, close out to the Word document, and now within the body, we can now insert the code to generate the button. Less than button, close that off. Click me, less than / button, close this off. Command S to save, go to Finder, HTML5, double click this, right click index.html, open up with Safari, and now we have the button on screen. We are now able to click the button, but the button when clicked will not send the user to the final destination, as we have not assigned a link to take the user there. Close out of Safari, close out of Finder, save the text edit, quit text edit. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.